next definition is phenotype. Whatever the appearance of an organism, that appearance is known as the phenotype. Means if we see a plant is tall or dwarf, then it is known as the phenotype. Understood? You can say a plant is has the red flower or the pink flower and the white flower. So this is known as the phenotype of an organism. That is the external appearance of an organism. Genotype. Genotype is what genetic constitution of an organism is known as genotype. Now we know that the plant is the dwarf and the tall. But when we talk about the tall plant, so we can say it is a pure tall or the hybrid tall. Understood this thing? Tallness is there, the plant is tall, but which type of gene is present? Either it is containing both the capital T, then it is a pure tall plant. If it is having capital T and small t, then it is a hybrid tall. This is known as the genetic constitution, that is the genotype of an organism. Understood this thing? That the pure and hybrid. Pure is what? When an organism is containing the two same alleles for the trait. And hybrid is what? When it is we can say that the opposite alleles are present, or both the alleles are present. That is the dominant and recessive, both alleles are present there. Then it is known as the hybrid. What it is known as? Hybrid. Next is the homozygous. Now what we had studied earlier, that is the genotype. And in that genotype, what we had studied, that I had given the example that a plant may be a pure tall or the hybrid tall. When we talk about the pure tall, both the alleles are same. And therefore that type of organism is known as homozygous. Homo means same, zygote means both the genes are or alleles are same. Then an organism is known as homozygous. So homozygous are always pure for the trait. Why pure? Because they are containing the same type of allele. Homozygous tall means capital T, and homozygous dwarf means small t. Heterozygous. Now if the two alleles of a for a given trait are contrasting, then individual is called the heterozygous for that trait. Two alleles are what? They are contrasting, means like a tall plant, two alleles. What are the contrasting alleles? Capital T and small t. So both the alleles are what? They are different, contrasting, and hence why the individual is known as hybrid or heterozygous. Hetero means different, genes. Hybrid tall, capital T, small t. Hybrid yellow, capital Y, small y. Hybrid purple, capital W and small w. And heterozygous is only known as the hybrid. Then comes the pure line. Pure line plants which breed true for the particular character. Breed true means containing both the alleles, containing the same alleles for the given character. Understood this thing? That is known as the pure line plant which breed true for a particular character. Means a tall plant is there. Every time when the plant is giving rise to a tall plant, then it is known as pure line variety. Pure line variety कैसे develop करते हैं? We raise the plant and again by self pollination. तो सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन करने के बाद एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि द सेम टाइप ऑफ जीन्स विल बी प्रेजेंट फॉर द गिवन ट्रेट एंड देन दैट प्लांट इज नोन एज द प्योर लाइन प्लांट. Understood this thing? Pure line means particular, very pure for the character. That is known as the pure line. Monohybrid. Now by the word you can understand monohybrid is what? Mono means single, hybrid means heterozygous. Means an individual produced in the cross between two pure parents differing in a single pair of contrasting character. Means when we are studying about one character only, then that is known as a monohybrid. Example, a cross between pure tall and pure dwarf tree plant produce the hybrid tall. That is known as the monohybrid. Capital T and small t, that is known as the monohybrid. Then comes the F1 generation. F1 generation is what? First filial generation. It is also known as first filial generation. So F1 generation is what? That the offsprings produced by the cross between the parents. That is known as the F1 generation. When we cross a pure tall and pure dwarf plant, we get all the plants, tall plants in next generation, and that next generation is known as F1 generation.